wedding, guys, and my little rose lights. Isn't that so cute? Also, my school has gone back to us wearing masks, so no face makeup for me. Hello, YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, I am super excited to film. I feel like I say that with every video that I film. But today I have an bagging and an unboxing. The boxes right here. Ta-da. And it's Cruella themed. So I love the movie Cruella, the new one. Absolutely loved it. It's made me want to buy a bunch of Cruella stuff. So basically, Captain Hook, Winnie the Pooh, Cruella, those are my Disney thing. Oh, and the Aristocats, Marie specifically, because she reminds me of my cat, Penny. But anyway, so I was wanting to unbox these things because they are super exciting. So start from the first thing. So these are going to be a little surprising. Oh, that smell. These are so cool. So when I was younger in 6th grade, Crocs were the in thing, and my mom has worked at for a doctor's office for a while, and so she was a receptionist at a doctor's office, and she wore Crocs. And whenever she would wear hers, like, I never wore them to school or anything, but I would wear them around the house, and I hated them, but I love these. I always said I'm not going to buy a pair of Crocs. I don't care how in style they are. And then I saw these, and I was like, okay, I have to buy a pair of Crocs. So if I can get them out of the packaging. Look at these, how cute. I love these. So these are part of the Cruella line. So it's got, it feels like a, not lamb, it kind of feels like the, well, not the inside of an UGG boot. This is soft. I don't know how to describe that, but it's got the little gibbets on the front, like a lipstick. And I don't know, unless I can take these spikes out, probably not going to be able to wear these to work. I'm not sure, but I love this. Like, that's so cute. And then on the side they say Cruella on either side. And then what I liked about these is they kind of look like they are a little bit, but they look platform-y. Is that a bird? And they're actually different on every one. So this one looks like it has the little star button, some cherries, and more of those studs, and the pom-pom. So I think you can, yeah, it seems like you can remove these. So what I'll probably do is to wear these to school. I'll end up taking these, even though they're not really sharp. I just don't want to cause any problems with that. But these are super cute, and hopefully I'll put like pictures in a video of me wearing them. But I love these. They're so cute. And I love the red bottom. It's kind of like Louboutin-esque, but in a Croc. That is a collaboration I would like to see, Louboutin and Crocs. Let's make that happen. But yeah, they're super cute. Can't wait to style these. Yeah, I saw these. I think they were $80 or $90, but there was some kind of coupon code. Even though it said that promotions can't be used on these, I either signed up for something or did something, and I got a crazy discount on them. But I will have these linked down below. There's another type of shoe from the Cruella line, but I think those are all sold out if they haven't restocked them. But honestly, I don't know why. I don't know why these didn't sell out over the other ones, because these seem more like iconic Cruella than the other ones. But so these are my Crocs.
What are those?
They are my Crocs.
Yes. I cannot wait to see this. So this is from the Disney store online. And every now and then, you know, they have the Disney Dooney and Burks. And I missed the Winnie the Pooh line that came out. And I'm sorry, but it's like crazy expensive to buy them secondhand. I'm not going to pay the same price for a Louis Vuitton for a Dooney and Burke. I don't care what's on it. I'm sorry. But I was on the website the other day because I was looking to see what all other Cruella stuff that they had, and I saw that they did a Cruella de Vil and Dooney and Burke collaboration. I was like, oh my gosh, I need it. So I rewarded myself. This has been a crazy school year already, and so I just rewarded myself for doing good in my classes and making it through half the crazy year. So, oh, it's so cute. So before I show the bag, the box has like the pretty Disney tissue paper. It's so pretty. And I already know what my mom is going to say about it.
It's too small.
But I like it. Oh, it's so cute. Look at it. So this is the, what are you? I know it's Dooney and Burke, but I can't remember like the actual name. They have 3 different styles. They have a regular tote bag. They had this one, and they had a bowling bag style, kind of like the Alma. And at first I was going to get it, but I remember I've had a Dooney and Burke bowling bag in the past, and I didn't really like it. It seemed like the handles were too long for the actual bag. It was just weirdly proportioned for me. So this bag was $2.28. Huh, that's the Canadian price too. But yeah, it was $2.28. I can't remember if I found a coupon code for Disney or the Disney store or not, but it's got a little zip pouch in the front, which I probably won't use for anything. And then it's got a little snap at the top. And then this was one reason why I liked it. It's got a little key fob. You don't really see a lot of purses with that anymore. And it's got Dooney and Burke line paper. Oh, there it is. It's the Cruella mini zip. I guess that makes sense. The name makes sense. But yeah, and it's got a crossbody strap with it, so you can wear it crossbody or in the crook of your arm. I think you can, yeah, you can fit it like right there or on your wrist, or just hand hold it. But it's super cute. Oh my goodness. And then I don't know if you'll be able to see the detailing, but look how cute. I love the red piping on it. There's this side. It's got feet on the bottom. But yeah, I love that red piping. It just gives it a little. So I actually like this over the Winnie the Pooh Disney and Burke that they did. I feel like more attention was put into this one, like with the red piping and stuff. But I love this. It's so cute. And I love the detail and everything on it. Like the way that it's set out looks so vintage. Like it looks like the Cruella stained glass here, like the design of the phone and her car and everything. It's so cute. I love it. And the funny thing is I would keep going on the website to check on it to be like, make sure it's still in stock. And wouldn't you know, when I went on the website to actually order this bag, they had their wait list. I don't know, they were coming out with something, I guess, or I don't know, but there was like a wait list to get on the site, and I was like, are you serious? But finally got on there. I got the bag. Again, right up until the point I was getting ready to order, I was going to get the bowling bag, and then I was like, no, I want this one. And I'm glad I went with this one. It's super cute. I love it. Can't wait to style it and wear it. I mean, it's so cute. Those were my 2 Cruella things. And like I said, I've got like a t-shirt coming that I ordered from Redbubble that is super cool. And then I just got a dress from Cakeworthy because I had a coupon code. I'm still waiting for them to put the t-shirt back on there too. Or in different sizes because I want it oversized. But like I said, I don't know if I'm going to film a video on those or not, just because I don't know if it'll be good filming material. We'll see, depending on like if they come at the same time. This was perfect because they both arrived today. So yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Stick around for other unboxings that I do. That seems to be the popular thing on my channel, is my unboxing videos. But stick around for those kinds of videos and others that I do on the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.
All that's left is a window to my soul. Come and get it.